Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today I'm doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is my second attempt to do this video. The first time got half of it done and then I cut out to do more of my face makeup. On the second half of the video it cut out and didn't save. And then going through it I was like, yes, okay, I can just record the second half of the video. Again, since I already had the first half, I'll just put on the same shirt, do the same hairdo, whatever. But then I tried reformatting my memory card and lost my videos and all my pictures. So, I'm a little bummed about it, but it'll be alright. So, I'm giving it a go again. Let's open this baby up. Alright. This month's theme is Go All Out. And the first thing in the box that we're going to take a look at is this right here. This is the VOLITION Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil, and this retails for $49. This is what it looks like. And in a previous BoxyCharm box, I did get another VOLITION product, and it's right here. This is the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. So I am currently using this one in my daily routine, and so far so good. I like it. Let's go ahead and apply this. I'm gonna put my hair back. Alright, just a drop. Ooh. Smells okay. It smells like a spa, like getting a facial done. Let's put those bangs back a little bit better before they get too oily, even though I just rubbed oil all over them. The next thing in the box is this. This is the Frank Body Caffeinated Face Moisturizer, and this retails for $21.95. When I opened up the box to check everything out, see what products I got to prepare for this video, I thought this was a repeat because in a previous BoxyCharm I got this, and this is the Frank Body Glow Mask, and they look exactly the same. Now I have moisturizer and a mask. Go ahead and apply this. Not too much. It smells just like a mask. The third thing in the box is the PURLISSE Age Glow Serum BB Cream with SPF 40, and this retails for $38. And again, in a previous BoxyCharm, I ended up getting a PURLISSE BB Cream, which is the Perfect Glow BB Cream in SPF 30. I do like this BB Cream. So maybe I like this one too. Just gonna use a beauty blender to apply it. It looks pretty glowy, but I don't know if that's because of like the oil and the moisturizer or the BB cream or a combination of all three. It is a little tacky. I'm gonna have to use the BB cream by itself to see if I like it. It does match my complexion very well, and again, I did like the other BB cream, so I'm sure I'll love this one. Anyway, I'm gonna go apply the rest of my face makeup and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. The next thing in the box is this thing right here. This is the CIATE London Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Shadow, and this retails for $20. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Let's do a little swatch on the back of the hand. Oh wow. So you can see the duochrome on that. It's got like green flecks, yellow, some reddish brownish. Let's apply it to the eye. So this is what it looks like on its own. It looks like it's not very pigmented. I can kind of see through it, see my lid through it still. I'm gonna apply a brown shadow to this eye and then use it as a topper and see what I think of it then. I use the ColourPop The Child palette, and I'm gonna use Droid Protocol right there. I'm gonna put it on my lid and then use the shadow flip as a topper. Yes, I think I like that much better as a topper than on its own. It's still cute on its own, just a little subtle, but it's much more bold with a dark brown shadow underneath. I like it. Yeah, I like that a lot better. I'm gonna leave it as it is for now. The last thing in the box is this. This is the Mally Beauty Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner, and this retails for $19. It looks like here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. This gel liner is very, very creamy. Is the best way I can kind of explain it, I guess. So it kind of smushes down as it's going, like it's very, I don't know, bold. I don't know how to explain it, just very creamy. All right, that was everything in my box, and the added up retail value of everything in the box is $147.95. So when I opened up and looked at everything in this box, I was a little disappointed. It feels a lot like a repeat box. With those first three products. Yes, they're not exactly the same things, but it was very close. So I was a little disappointed. Not my favorite box. Lately I felt like I haven't really enjoyed the boxes as much. They've been kind of, you know, more skincare type boxes, which I don't really care about getting skincare too much. So I actually went on BoxyCharm and updated my like beauty preference and told them mostly makeup instead of, I had it set to surprise me, and that's been a buzz for me. So I fixed it up. So these three things, I'm just gonna have to try them out separately and see how it goes. I like the BB cream. I like the previous BB cream, so I'll like this. I'm sure I'll like this one too. With getting skincare products in my box, I typically stick with the same skincare routine until I use up a product, so these probably won't go into my skincare routine for a while. I'll keep them, hang on to them, I'll use them, but it's gonna be a while before I do that. So this gel liner, I love how bold it makes my waterline. I love dark, bold eyeliner. I feel like though with this gel eyeliner, I'm gonna use it up really fast. And then this on its own, cute, subtle, so if I'm looking for a more subtle look, I can just use it on its own. But I definitely prefer it much more with the brown underneath and use this as a topper, so I will definitely use this. All right, I think that's it for this video. Hopefully the future boxes I'll be a little bit more excited about. We'll see. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.